Mother Nature like, how the fuck you doing that, Max? Trust me, I do a lot of shit like I'm doing much less. Got the mindset of DJ Khaled, I'm doing what's best. It's been body bags after body bags, so who is up next?
It's Kelpie.
Saxophone! Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in and welcome back once again. Yes, MisterJaay up in here, man. Yo, you tune into MisterJaay official reactions channel number 2. We got 2 of them. So if anyone reached out to me, man, I know you've reached out to me before a couple of days ago, and then you reaching out to me again to check out a couple of Wizkid songs, and we are going to start with Ease Your Mind. So this one is for you, and thank you for always stopping by. Yo, hit that subscribe button, smash that like, man. This is a throwback, but Wizkid has always been Wizkid, you dig? So hit that subscribe button, smash that like, man. Turn on your notification. Let's not talk too much, let's back it up and let's go. You dig? Let's go.
Many things don't really open my eyes. Many things don't happen where don't open my mind. Things don't happen for my life and make me realize. Say many things go happen and it's real fine. Never let.
Sometimes things happen in our lives. Like, it's not any coincidence that you go through what you're going through. And whatever you go through is to prepare you for where you want to get to. So many things has happened in his life. So many things has opened his eyes. If these things never happened to Wizkid, he wouldn't be Wizkid today, you feel me? So, okay.
I say many things go happen and it's real fine. Never let the small talks, but the money get to me. I work, I pray, I'm on nothing worrying. I
always.
I'm not trying to let the money control me. Say my sound and they boss, they get up on their doors.
I don't let the money control me. I put work in it. If you believe in working, trust me, everything's gonna be good. By the way, the project was of the Sound Man project, and I like the saxophone, man, and I like the way it's delivered. Like, you can see that Wizkid has always been poised in his way of doing his music. It's kind of like way back then, this man knew exactly. I will keep saying, man, from the moment I heard him, he did holla at your boy, pop my collar, holla. Yeah, I knew that this man was definitely gonna be the ish, you dig? But yo, okay, don't let the money control you. Just work, man. Just stay focused, man. Focus on your focus, you dig?
Me control me, say my sound and they boss, they get up on their doors. Some days if it be like so you bring no ball. Yeah, my brother, if it be like this too long. Even if it be like so you like no come, just ease your mind.
Facts.
You know, say this life not turn by turn.
Some days when it feels as if life is not being positive, sometimes you might be going through a phase in life and it looks like that is the end of everything, bro. No, persevere. Endure it, you dig? Because life is turn by turn. Eventually, when you persevere and you endure hardship, man, you're gonna make it. Trust me, it is how it goes. That's how life is.
Come my brother, no go. When you think of my brother, no go rush. Just ease your mind.
Ease your mind.
Tell me, lolo. Come on, me love, lolo. Come on, me lolo. Yeah.
It doesn't really matter how life treats you, bro. Just ease your mind. Yeah, ease your mind. Just understand. Sometimes, man, these things come with age. Like, when you get to a certain point in life, you start realizing that actually you're supposed to ease your mind all the time, because sometimes a blessing comes through hardship. Trust me. Like, it's going to test you. Can you handle this? And then it blesses you. That's how life works, you dig?
Oh, come on, me love, come on, me love, yeah. Looking at my past, I'm glad it's over. Steady, than Jehovah. Now I got some liquor ice in my soda, and I bought some more ice, it made me colder.
Facts. You have to be grateful, bro, because sometimes you come a long way. Like, you look back and like, yo, bro, that hardship, that situation which made me think that life was about to end was actually a blessing in disguise. So my man said he looking back and thanking Jehovah. Always got to think about it.
Ice in my soda, and I bought some more ice, it made me colder. Say the music take me places even when never regret they make the girls and ladies when they love upon me. Say Starboy day, lady men day, and the killers and the girls all of them day.
The killers and the girls them all day, yeah. Sometimes, and he said he's been to places that he never thought he would go through. Through what? Through music. Boy, let me tell you this. Focus on your focus. Trust me. So many people asked me a couple of days ago, bro, you still doing music reaction? I love music genuinely. Even if I have a job, trust me, I work. But still, music is still that part of me. And I think that I'm still going to get into music somehow. So when you focus on your focus, that focus can take you to places you never ever believe. For footballers, it's football. For basketballer, it's basketball. For musician, it's music. And he keeping it 100. He keeping it real though.
And the killers and the girls all of them. Some days if it be like say your brain no ball. Yeah, my brother, if it be like this too long. Even if it be like say your life no come, just ease your mind.
Sometimes hardship might last for too long. And even if it happens this way, bro, just ease your mind. Everything will be fine.
No, say this life not turn by turn. When your time come, my brother, no go. When the thing come, my brother, no go rush. Just ease your mind.
It's a life not turn by turn. When your time comes, ease your mind, bro. Don't sweat it. Believe, trust the process. Motivation.
Come on, me love, lo. Come on, me love, lo. Yeah. Kashama jaye mi cheche, kajaye mi cheche. Oh, come on, me love, lo. Come on, me love, yeah.
Okay, Jaya, enjoy the moment, vibe to it. You dig? Vibe to it. It's just what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ease Your Mind. No matter the stress you're going through, ease your mind. Stay focused. Focus on what is important. Don't look at your present condition and say, oh, it's prolonged hardship. Sometimes that hardship is preparing you for something you yourself, you do not understand yet. But that's life. It's going to test you. And when life sees that you can persevere and you can endure, it blesses you. Yo, I hope I came through for you. The fan who kept asking me this, man. This is one down. Another one will be coming in a couple of hours. It's all love, man. I appreciate you guys coming through. Do not forget to share. Hit that subscribe button. And tune in, bro. Tune in every day we dropping. Any day we dropping. You dig? Stay blessed. Peace.
If you see me in the streets, better holler at me. Seeking for a beat, throw them dollars at me. I don't like defeat, take that away from me. You tryna be like me, you couldn't handle my story. But we gon' let you know, we gon' let you know. We gon' let you know, we gon' let you know.